All right, man, so I'm Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair. We're sitting here talking with Dave about some of his new tools over at Edgy Tools, so
yeah.
Go ahead.
So awesome, cool. I'll go over the No Roll Knockdown first. It's an ergonomic knockdown. It's named No Roll because it won't roll away. If you're working on an aluminum hood, set it on glass, whatever, it's going to stop because of the patent pending arm. Okay. If you are knocking down, you get to where you can't reach out any further, you switch down to the no roll feature, the secondary arm, and you can go a little bit further, okay? If you're a mirror polished knockdown person, each end is mirror polished. So you can use it either end just like that. That's how I love it for those lines on the edge of panels because you have so much visibility and control doing that. I like the soft caps for working clear bra or vehicle wraps, and they just slide on, as well as our hard tips, which are just pressure fit on there also. So that's the No Roll Knockdown. Our other most popular knockdown tip is the Pirate Peg Leg. Just about everybody uses these. My friend Jean from Slovenia actually used these and told guys he won the PDR World Cup, the Tournament of Champions, and placed real high in the Dent Olympics last year, and he told everybody this is the only knockdown tip he uses.
That guy just saw a second one.
I love to hear it.
So I was like, I want a separate one. Yep.
Okay. These two are on every one of my techs, and not mandatory, but all of my techs working. They have the knocker on one side of their blending hammer and a polished knob with an extension on the other side. So that's the most popular configuration. And I've tons and tons of guys have said that this is just magic.
Yeah, I've got one. I love it.
They're like, I don't know why it works so much better, but it does. So just lays metal down really nice and really flat. So again, polished knob and the knocker. Okay. These are our brand new glue tabs. They look like every other glue tab I know, but that's because they have to fit in a slide hammer or mini lifter, and they have to shape the dent. But just like a golf ball is going to hit different, even though they all look the same, these glue tabs will work different. They come with a free video tutorial on blending and pressure release, some of my philosophies, and they just pull fantastic. They're not the hardest pulling tabs, but I think they're the most accurate and precise pulling tabs. So everybody that's used them so far has just loved them. So I'm really excited about those.
Yeah, we just picked up a set of these now, so I'm going to be able to try. Anyways, I just picked up a set of these, so I'm going to get to try them out when I get home, so I'm really excited about these.
So they're chasing us out, but I want to show the finger ding ring. So this is an object that you just wear all the time. When you're pushing, you have it on your finger. When it's time to knock down, you simply bend your finger and knock down. It's very stable, very accurate, good visibility, completely ergonomic. So you got medical grade Velcro and a nice pad inside, so it's very comfortable to wear. So that's the finger ding ring.
You're not running around chasing around a knockdown.
Yep.
If you don't have this one, you're not worried about it rolling away, so you've got that always on.
I love it in the awkward spots, like when you're laying on your back working under a pickup truck or something, you're not looking for where's my knockdown, you just have it.
Yep.
So that's the finger ding ring. And the last one that I want to show is the tire tower. So what I tell people is when you are leveraging off a tire, that's fine, but as soon as you want to put your hand between the rod and the tire, don't. That's bad for your tendons and muscles and screw up your ligaments. So instead, you're going to reach for the tire tower. So this is the base. Each piece will separate and screw off. So you can go as low as that, or you can go 1 extension, 2 extensions, or 3 extensions. So no matter what level you want to put it at, just spin the base on and you're ready to go. Daniel Grom invented this handpiece, which makes it a great tool. It feels like the rod's in your hand, but you're not leveraging off your hand at all. You're using the power of the tire tower. You can move it wherever you need to go really easily and really quickly. It gives you tons of leverage. And Jack's quote's my favorite one.
I have one of these. It's one of these tools. You don't know that you need it until you need it. Like, it's just a fantastic addition. I actually got it early when it didn't have this piece on here. Dave's able to get you one of these separate if you don't have that.
I don't charge.
Yep,
you already have the tire tower,
it's before you have to hold it like this on the tire, and you're working it like this.
It was a little awkward.
With your tool, it's a little awkward. Yep. So you're working it like this and kind of having to hold
almost
it.
Almost like a pool cue.
To where like this, it's like you said, it's exactly like using your hand without using your hand. So you get all the same control. Fantastic stuff.
We have many more tools at Edgy Tools. We're packing them down right now because the show's over for today, but check us out, edgytools.com.
Absolutely.
Thanks, everybody.
Thanks, Dave.
Thanks, Jack.
Take care. Visit edgytools.com to see all these tools shown and more.